Bella, 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 Bella. Oh, 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 she's Bella Boo. It's my story.
Oh. Muffins. I want muffins. I do that. I don't know. Was she like that? We don't know. Anyway. Where's Aunt Lucy? No one knows. I think she's asleep. Yes? I mean, everybody! Here! 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 You too! You too, mister and miss. You're not gonna stay like that for long, you know. Oh, yes I am! Ow! Why would you do that? Why? Why? It hurts! Oh, stop it. I pick you up, you're okay. And you're gonna stay like that until you have to go to sleep, you know. Okay. I guess I'll stay like this. Or hiya! Ow! It hurts! It hurts! It hurts! My nose is broken. Forever. No, it's not. And we're not gonna stay like this forever, you know. Okay, I'll get up. And I'm going back upstairs. That was exhausting. Yeah.
Doom, 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 doom.
Hey guys, hit that like and subscribe button. Play with me some more. Yay!
Nanny, nanny.